Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make the most popular Hungarian soup called chicken meat soup. I can assure you, you can find this soup most of the Hungarian families' Sunday table. It is simple and delicious. We serve it with noodles and all the veggie and meat what cook in the soup. Here is what we need. 4 pieces of chicken carcass, 4 small carrots, 1 medium onion, 1 garlic cloves, 1 quarter celery, 1 quarter kohlrabi, half turnip, 1 bunch of parsley, tomato, 2 small potato, 1 peppercorn, 1 bay leaf, salt, pepper to taste, whole cumin, whole black pepper, 1 chicken or vegetable soup cubes, which is optional. Let's get started. Turn on your stove, put the chicken carcass in a small amount of water and bring it to boil. After a few minutes, reduce the heat and remove all the foam from the soup. You can use a filter to remove the foam. It is an important step to make to have a clear soup. Now we can add all the vegetables to the pot. Add salt, pepper, bay leaf and cumin. Then fill your pot with water. Cover it with a lid and let it nice and slow cook for 1 or 2 hours. When the veg is halfway through, we add the soup cube. As you can see, it is a small amount of soup, because I just used a 4-liter pot for 2 persons, my husband and me. After 1.5 hours of cooking, I check the vegetables and the meat. When the meat is easily removed from the bones, it is ready. Add some extra salt if it's needed. When everything is soft enough, you can start to serve. For serving, I use a filter. That's how we get a beautiful, clear soup. I appreciate you watching. Your comment is really important for me. That's keep me going. Please share your opinion in a comment section below. You can add some spice to your soup. Hot paprika, piros arany or erős pista. You can see the small pictures on the corner. This recipe also works with any type of meat you like, beef or turkey. What is important to use something with bones, for example, neck, wings or carcass. If you didn't subscribe yet, now is the time to hit the button. Thank you for watching. Bon appétit! Jó étvágyat kívánok!